We're pulling this GTX out for a guy named Jack. We've been emailing him for, I'd say, 2 months on this car. And he goes, John, you know what? I need to see it scratch in a second. I want to see it launch. I want to make sure the motor's healthy. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's go. All right, Jack, you said you wanted to see if this thing will scratch in a second. I will gladly show you. Getting onto our strip here. This is where we go to FedEx, but it also could be a drag strip if you want it to be. I'm gonna put it in second just so that we don't get into overdrive. Wait for this car to go. You ready? Do it again on the way back, and you can let me know what you think. Let's try this again. We'll get it to chirp in a second for you. Chirp, man. This is the Jack request. He wanted to know if this thing would hook, if it chirps in the second, if it feels good. He wanted a video for us beating it up. We just did that for him, so hopefully he buys this car. This is Jack request volume 1.